Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera to Dr. Rasina and other friends. So we are from Group 10 and we want to present about our assignment task. So my name is Arif Akmal Yusof and other member which is Nur Husna Ali and Nur Nadia binti Zadani will present about our assignment called Bioflow and Innovative Technologies. Okay, for our group, we have chosen freshwater prawn for our invertebrate culture. So this species are known as the giant river prawn or giant freshwater prawn. So this species is one of the most widely cultivated freshwater prawn in the world and having been introduced into more than 40 nations. Interesting fact about this prawn is the annual production of the gigantic river prawn is exceed more than 2,100 tons worldwide. So next we'll move to the introduction.
First of all, for introduction, the growing aquaculture industry is harmed by a number of environmental and social issues. Aquaculture at inappropriate sites can lead to habitat conversions and ongoing operational impacts. Aquaculture has the potential to have a number of negative consequences on wild species, including disease transmission, escape, and capture of broodstock, foraging among others. For the problem statement, first, prophylactic use of chemicals, including antibiotics, can harm wildlife and the environment and may lead to antibiotic resistance. Second, the major problem facing the aquaculture industry, treatment and release of farm effluents, high dependence to fish meal for the preparation of feed and disease outbreak. And last, increased ambient nitrate concentration negatively affect the growth, performance, and survival of fish or shellfish and also inhibits the disease resistance of the culture animals.
Okay, next, for the solution for the problem above, we use biofloc as solution. So what is biofloc? Biofloc system is a system that removes metabolic waste from aquatic production system by balancing of nitrogen and carbon in the system. In the system, we use bacteria that convert ammonia to nitrogen called biofloc. So the main function of the biofloc is it become an additional feed source so it can reduce the cost. Okay, next we will go to understand more about biofloc system. So the process of biofloc system begin with we have shrimp in the pond or in the culture. Then the first step is we feed protein which feed to the shrimp which is the food that have protein. So the shrimp will release the fecal matter and the feed waste and other organic residue will produce ammonia. And after that, the carbon source is add, mixed, and aerated. And because of that, the other condition will create for the development of heterotrophic bacteria. So this is the bacteria. And after that, the process will continue by create of carbon and nitrogen ratio manipulation, and the system will become bacterial dominated. And the dense bacteria formation lead to the forming of the float. So this is the floats. So the function of the float is uh, control the water quality by assimilating nitrogenous waste. So the last process of this biofloc system, the shrimp will eat the float and reducing the fish feed cost. So this is how the process of biofloc system.
For the result, biofloc technology, one of the technologies for increase the ecological and environmental sustainability of prawn farming. The application in the nursery system found to be useful in increasing the animal growth. The result shown, the increases of survival rate and animal quality. It also to reduce the accumulation of toxic metabolite like ammonia by its conversion to hetero heteromorphic bacterial biomass, especially in static system. The application of biofloc technology making culture more sustainable by 54% increase of total revenue from harvested shrimp. It will enhance pond productivity through stimulation of suspended and attached algae development by using them to improve the water quality, to provide additional food, to increase the environmental sustainability. This technology also simple and cheap by making it also sociality and economically sustainable even for the small scale of the poor farmer. In the other review, biofloc can be a novel strategy for disease management on a long-term basis, in contrast to conventional approaches such as antibiotic, probiotic, prebiotic application. It also can be used as a tool to control water quality and feed management. But biofloc technology has potential to protect the culture organism from infection pathogenic bacteria, which this is responsible for major economic losses in aquaculture. The technique also proved to be beneficial in nursery rearing Pimododon that influence growth and production of shrimp juvenile. That's all, thank you.